Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the FPGA driver TTP223 one key touch sensor. Okay, so first things, what's this sensor? Let's take a look at the schematic. So this is a schematic. So it is one key touchpad detector IC. It is an IC, okay? So here is a package. This is IC package. So it is SOT23 package. It has 6 pin. Okay, it has 6 pin. So the first pin will be the signal output pin is here. It output the signal to our FPGA or MCU. The second pin is ground. Okay, so the third pin is the signal input pin. It connected the touch panel. And this pin and this pin decided how we output our signal is working mode pin. And this pin is power supply pin. Okay. So next things, let's take a look at the schematic. It's like this. Okay. This pin connected the touch panel. And this pin output the signal to our FPGA or MCU. And this pin is input pin. Decided by this. It will decide the output mode. Okay, how we output the signal. And here we have more. Here this is the low power mode to tell us how this IC will save power. Okay, and here, so we will have the more detailed application schematic. Okay, so you will see here, this is sensor panel. This output the signal to our FPGA or MCU. Okay, so this is the power supply. Typically we use 3.3 volt. Okay, and here this is notice for the PCB layout. Something we need to pay attention. Okay, so next step, let's take a look at our actual board. So here, this is our FPGA. This is our FPGA board to test touch sensors, and this is our sensors. This is our sensor module. This is the sensor IC, and this is the sensor IC. And here we have 3 pins. The first one is VCC. The second one is the ground, and the last one is the signal output. The last one is signal output. Okay, so we have a simple code to use touch sensor. Is like this. So this is our code for this touch sensor panel. So you will see this is just simply output the key signal to the LED. If the key signal is high, the LED will be turned on. And if the key signal is low, and the LED will be turned off. It's light on or light off. Okay, let's take a look. It will turn on or turn off. Okay, the touch panel side is behind it. So let's touch it. You will see the LED is turned on. Move it, turn off, touch it, move it, touch it, move it. So this is the touch panel here. Okay, it's very clean and no any mechanical key on it. Touch it, move it, touch it, move it. Okay, so it's a very interesting touch IC, and this touch key has lots of benefit, and it will increase the product life. And if you use a mechanical key, it will broken in a shortened time. But if we use this key, it will last significantly longer. Okay, so that's it. This is for the touch sensor TTP223. I'm Michael. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.